this man is from Seven, from Fincher movie, I guess. And he was very bad, but I think nah, we put him on evil. That what he did in the finish, when this movie was finished already. The scene with the box. Okay, the next one. I don't know who he is. Okay, Bane from Nolan trilogy, Batman, of course. Very bad, I guess. Yeah. Okay, Cableman. I love Jim Carrey, but nothing special. Oh, this I don't wanna curse. Jake, don't curse. I don't know why, but always in the animations, I hate every antagonist. So put him with Bale, okay. Pure Evil, for sure. Who is this? I have no idea who is. This guy, I know him, but I think I never seen it. So yeah, put it here. Okay, from Matrix, this guy, nothing special, I think. Okay, this guy, I have no idea who he is. What's wrong with me? Haven't seen this guy. I know this actor, but what is this movie? I don't know. Haven't seen. Everyone will be on haven't seen. I'm not good at it. Okay, this guy from Terminator 3 or 2? No, Terminator 2. Trash. Myers. From all franchise, we can put him on nothing special. Because... Okay, nah, very bad. Palpatine. Evil. Sauron? Where we want to put Sauron? Very bad. Yeah. Sauron was evil, but for me it's nothing that special. So yeah, maybe here. Okay, move on. This guy from Lion King. Yeah, very bad. Animations, villains. Great job, guys. Loki. I mean, now Loki is not that antagonist, more like protagonist, but very bad. If we're talking about Loki when he was working for Thanos and Avengers from 2012, so yeah, we can put him here. Killmonger. What he did? Black Panther one. I don't remember why he was. Because the Black Panther and he wanna be. Nah, nothing special. Or maybe trash. Yeah, put him on trash. I like Michael B. Jordan. I like Black Panther, but the sense of this character, I don't get it. Okay, the next one. This picture is small. I haven't seen. Okay, hair. Trash. Okay, Joaquin from Gladiator. Very bad. But evil, nah. He's not evil. He is not evil. Okay. Ooh. She's... You can put her on evil. Every fan from Harry Potter agree with me. So yeah. Okay, Shark from, I don't know, Jaws or something? From Spielberg? I mean, the animal, very big animal, but what? Where I have to put it? Nothing special, I guess. Sorry, Sauron. This is Alien. Alien. Very bad. Predator. Very bad too. I forgot the names, but they are from Home Alone, of course. Nothing special, I guess. What we put here? Trash. This guy from Coco. Very bad. This woman right here. I don't know. Haven't seen. Okay, this guy from Back to the Future. This guy from Back to the Future. I don't know. Maybe... Where is he? Ah, here. Nothing special. Or maybe... Yeah, nothing special. Nothing special. This guy... Haven't seen. This is from Pokemon or something. Haven't seen. Okay, him we put on very bad, of course. This guy, I don't know. What is wrong with this character? Or maybe with me? Maybe something wrong with me. I don't know what this guy, where they played. I remember maybe something from this, but... Okay, trash. Pennywise, yeah, we can put on evil. Nothing special, I guess. Draco. Nothing special. I mean, it's just bad person, but not like pure evil or very bad. You know what he did to Apollo. But it's boxing. I don't wanna say it's normal, but you know what I mean. Okay, it's from Django. Very bad. Voldemort is useless. He cannot defeat the kids, man. Go cry alone. This guy from Hunger Games. Nothing special. This one, I don't know. Yeah. What was his name? Star Wars Darth Maul, something like this. Yeah. This was Bounty Hunter, something like this. Nothing special. Okay, Joker, but yeah, Joker from Nolan's movies. Heath Ledger, of course. So we can put him on evil, pure evil. We can even pure evil, of course. Okay, Farquaad. He was such a... Where? Nothing special? Why nobody helping me? Where? Okay, nothing special. I don't care. Okay. She's from Scream? because I'm looking on the knife, so it have to be Scream. Scream. Trash. Malfoy's dad from Harry Potter. He was evil, but also nothing special. Nothing special for me. What do you have next? This guy. Very bad. And maybe, wait a second. Just make it, or maybe something like this. Oh, now it's better. What next? From this movie with Michael Jordan. Okay, we put it nothing special. I don't care. Let's go. The next one. From Goonies? This is from Goonies? Trash. No, nothing special. This guy right here, I don't know his name. From Cobra Kai? I mean, it's from Karate Kid. What was his name? But it was nothing special. This villains right here are not everyone are all-time villain. Few of them went good, like Loki or this guy from Karate Kid. So it's very difficult to put them somewhere. Okay, this guy, I don't know. This one right here is from the Hunger Games, I guess. Nothing special, I don't remember them. So yeah. Darth Vader. Darth Vader was very bad. I mean, he cannot be pure evil because the sum of him is still Anakin, so he can't be pure evil. There is something good in him. This is a picture camera from the start. I don't know. I don't know what is this? What? What? Okay, never mind. This one, never seen. This woman? I don't know who these guys are. I don't know. Okay. Karen trash. I don't like her. This animal right here. What here? I don't know what these guys are. It's wrong. I haven't seen the most of these villains. I haven't seen. I have to watch some movies. Okay, this guy. Trash. Oh, the Silence of the Lambs. Hannibal Lecter. Everybody. Thanos. He's not pure evil because I get it. Why he want to destroy half of the world, but it's not pure evil. He have some rights in his head, of course. This guy, I don't know. From Dodgeball, nothing special, man. What is these characters? I haven't seen this. I don't know who he is. Wait a second, because I have to make it more like this. Okay. Okay, now let's go. Nothing special. Thor. Very bad. Okay. Haven't seen this guy from Toy Story. he was very bad for kids and for the toys. He was very bad. We can say it. So yeah, we can put him on the very bad. This guy from Incredibles, very bad. I remember why he became the villain. He has some rise. So yeah, that can be it. So yeah, this one I don't even see what is on the picture, man, and this haven't seen. Let me know what you think about this, and